Seans nach bhfuil le focail seo eolas siad ach tá siad fíorthábhachtach má tá tú géirí a bheith compradach le labhairt na Gaeilge. Iver hain an nummercha for too much or too many. So I can use it by itself, runna me an nummercha, I did too much, or I can combine it with a noun, an nummercha arrogant, too much money. Iver though, maran gaina for the same. So while if I'm saying the same X, and X is a noun, the same person, on dinna céine, the same school, on skull céine, if I'm just saying the same by itself, it's going to be mar an gaina. A good example would be, they were all the same, full stop, bhí siad go léir mar an gaina. Iver 3, ceann, meaning one, but not as the number, more so as the unnamed noun. Examples in English would be this one, that one, the big one, the last one. So for example, the big one on ceann mór, the other one on ceann eile. Iver 4, cinse for definitely, absolutely, or for sure. So on one tuig dul a nocht, are you going tonight? Cinse, for sure. Iver 5, raibh, meaning ever or never. Ní raibh mé ann raibh, I was never there before. Agus an ceann tearnach iver a sé chance, being used to indicate the idea of might. Chance go mai si imithe, she might be gone. Le haidh níos mó díreach go sulla seo, bíad amháil ar patreon.com/learn Irish online.